Hello dear students, welcome to my English second paper class. At first, take my salam from the core of my heart. Assalamu alaikum. Let me first introduce myself. I am Imdadul Haq, lecturer of English, Sri Rampur Siddiqui Alim Madrasa, Jigurgasa, Jashore. Dear students, today we will discuss one parts of speech. You know that parts of speech is a very important and significant and vital topic in English grammar. Parts of speech is called the soul of English language. So obviously it is so important. Look at the board. Do you know what is parts of speech? We know that every words of a sentence is called parts of speech. There are 8 kinds of parts of speech in English grammar. Do you know what are they? They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Dear students, we have to know about parts of speech and its function. Look at the board. What is noun? A noun is a name of person, place, thing or idea. In English grammar, according to number, noun is divided into 2 kinds, countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable noun is a noun which we can count, and uncountable noun is a noun which we cannot count. So, according to meaning, noun are of 4 kinds: proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun and abstract noun. Dear students, we have to know about noun and its classification. And next, pronoun. A pronoun replaces the name of a person, place, thing or idea. Do you know how many kinds of pronoun in English grammar? Yes, there are 8 kinds of pronoun in English grammar: personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. You will try these kinds of pronoun in your home. Dear students, and next, adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. An adjective always qualifies a noun or pronoun. Verb. A verb tells a noun, action or state. We know that verb is any action. In English, verb is very important fact. An adverb tells how, often, where and when. It can describe a verb. We know that verb always qualify, adverb always qualify verb and it itself. And next, preposition. Preposition show the relation between noun and pronoun. Conjunction. The action of conjunction in English grammar to join the sentence, 2 parts of the sentence, to join 2 clauses and 2 phrases. And finally, the last name of parts of speech is interjection. Interjection describes the strong feelings or emotion in English grammar. So, we obviously can say that parts of speech is very important topic and every student have knowledge about parts of speech to improve in English.